How to download CapCut APK on Google. Want to edit your videos like a pro? CapCut is one of the best free video editing apps. In this video, I'll show you how to safely download the CapCut APK using Google. Let's get started. First, open the Google app or your browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, or any other web browser of your choice. Next, type CapCut APK download in the search bar and hit enter. You'll see a list of websites offering the APK file. The screen scrolls through search results, highlighting trusted sites like APK Pure, UpToDown, or the official CapCut website. Select a trusted website to download the APK. Websites like APK Pure or UpToDown are reliable sources. Avoid suspicious or unknown websites to protect your device from malware. Once you're on a trusted site, find the download button for the latest version of CapCut and click it. Wait for the APK file to download. It might take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. Before installing the APK, you'll need to enable installation from unknown sources. Go to your phone settings, then to security, and toggle on unknown sources. This allows APK installations outside the Play Store. Locate the downloaded APK file in your phone's Downloads folder. Tap on it to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once the installation is complete, find the CapCut app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Tap it to open the app and start editing your videos. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed CapCut on your phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy editing!